So this is the revision 2 aluminum ALPS switch top remover. Oh, this is just they work on Matias, the classics, the clicks. So anything with this particular setup with the side pieces that hold the switch in. So we'll go ahead and try it out on this one. The center piece here will help hold the switch stem in place when you remove it. Now this switch, I actually took out all the pieces on the inside of it because I use this to test. This is my switch that I actually use to test this with. Every time I make one, I actually test it. So and that's that.